Now this is your next difficulty, right? That there are 326 cases in which the defendant was convicted of murder, right? Okay. So here what it means is this, that say if the victim was white, here it has, I think, the race of the defendant, right? So if there was a white victim and white defendant, then 19 of them did get death penalty and 110 of them did not, right? Makes sense? Now if the victim was black and the defendant was white, nobody got death penalty and 9 of them, like 0 got death penalty, 9 did not, okay? And here the same thing is given through the white victims and black victims. So tell me, what does 11 show us? 11 shows us victim was white but the defendant was black, right? Makes sense? Okay. Now they are asking us to do this, okay? That is, we have to do this now, okay? Make a, no, sorry about that. Okay, so here. So they are saying defendant's race, right? So we will write what? White defendant, okay? Makes sense? And then here we will write black, or rather just a second, we'll just expand the place and change this to what? Black, right? And here, and then they're saying versus the death penalty, right? Okay, so here, yes, oops, sorry, yes, and here what we got? No. Makes sense? Good. So how many white defendants total got death penalty? How many?
19.
19. Very nice. So 19 plus 0 is 19. An easy number to add, right? How many did not?
141.
Very good. Plus 9 is 41. Very good. How many of the black defendants got death penalty? 17.
Yes.
Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
How many did not? 50.
149.
Say that again.
149.
149, right? Make sense? Okay. अम्मा जी, हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. So, okay, everybody clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So that's what we got, right? Okay, I will just do this here. We want to put this all in one document. So let me put this all in a Word document, okay? All right. Makes sense? So we got that, right? Let's go to the next part of the question. Now it says find the percentage of white defendants that are sentenced to death overall, and then find the percentage of black defendants that are sentenced to death overall, right? Okay, so all right, so tell me this, see this here? What's the total here? 19 plus,
141.
So 160.
it's 160, right? Okay, great. So it's 160. And what about the total here?
166.
Oh, you did that faster than I could handle, right? That's good. Okay, well, that's good. 166, right? Okay. So if I have to see that what percentage of white defendants got death penalty, so here percent of whites with death penalty, right? Okay, that's what we have to get. Is how do we determine that? Tell me, how do I do that?
160 divided by 326.
Yeah, you add them up.
Let's say that once again.
160.
How many white defendants got death penalty?
Oh,
Nine.
19. So
Out of how many total?
160. So it'd be
One-
19 divided by 160.
19 divided by 160, right? See, it's just like more words, less math, right? So it's 11.875, right? So it's like 19 1, right? And that happens to be how much? 11.88.
So 11%.
About 11%, right? So it's got like, what did it say? 11 point how?
11.8.
875. 11.875, right? Hey, Ron.
Hey, how are you?
Right? Okay. Same thing when we do for the black defendants. What do we get?
17 divided by 166.
166. Okay. Which will make it like what kind of percentage? Let's check. Quickly, we can do it. Like 10.24, right? So 10.24%. Makes sense? Are we clear on this? So we answered this portion here, right? Okay. So there we go, and let me bring the questions here so that I can put the answers for you. Yeah. Good. Very good. Where are we? Good. So we answered that question part, right? Okay, good. Now the next part is asking, find the percentage of white defendants that are sentenced to death when the victim was white.
Okay.
All right? Okay, let's find that. Okay, white defendants with white victims, right? Okay, so let's just color code this.